Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about enums in C++. So enums is something that you want to use when you want to associate a keyword with a number. So let's take a look at an example. So include IOStream. You're going to say enum, and then our enum is going to be a size enum with three different sizes. So let's say small, medium, and large. And by default, usually the first enum is going to be starting at 0. And if you want otherwise, you could set it equal to a different number. So inside our main function, let's have a size and then call this my size and set it equal to large. And we're going to have a switch statement for my size. And then inside, we're going to have a case small, for example. And then you can have a case medium, and then a case large, and then a default case. Okay, so these are three cases. And inside, you could have like std cout, small, for example, and then break. So we're gonna copy paste that. And then here we're gonna say medium, and then large. And default case, something like std cout, error, and also a break. Okay, so this is our simple switch statement. And then let's have a return 0 here. So let's see. We have small, medium, large. So if we run this, let's see, 0. Okay, so we're just need to add a semicolon here, and that should be good. So if we run this, you see that it prints out large. Okay, so you can see if I hover over it, it chooses a number for these values, like I said, and then that makes your code a lot more readable instead of just having like case 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's what enums are useful for. So if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.